everyone and welcome back to Zara Handicrafts. Today my project is for Christmas decoration and all of it from Dollar Tree. It's easy and simple. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna glue 3 blocks together. Like that. I need 5 pieces. Next step, I will glue the 5 pieces together, but I want to mention when we glue them, change the direction, like this piece, the first piece, 3 blocks aside, and the other like 1 block, and go on. I already did this one like that. I made 3 cubes. After that I will paint them with the black paint and come back. After that I made a bow from the ribbon with the 3 loops, different sizes. Then I cut the tail and glued like that. I did this step with the other cubes like that. Then I used the red glitter sheet to write these letters. And I will cut them. I will cut them and come back. Now do a cone. Like that. And cut the excess cardboard. Like that. Now I'm going to use a glitter base filler, this from Dollar Tree, and glue it around the cone. I chose silver and red and black. The second line, put the color in the gap, like that, like in between. And keep going. Like that. Last step, fold this edge to inside like that. And glue the top. It has to be like a big one. Like that. And that's it. So this is my Christmas decoration ideas. I hope you like it. It's simple and easy and affordable. You can do it. And it's just cost me $3 or $4. I hope you like it. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.